Now let's take a closer look at these steps of the Ultimate Photography tool. Step number 5, select ISO. Now that we have selected the f-stop for depth of field and shutter speed for the conditions of the scene, we can select the ISO for a proper exposure. ISO is a camera's sensitivity to light, starting at 100 for most cameras and increasing to 25,000 and even higher. The higher the ISO, the more noise and grain you'll introduce into the final image. Now for selecting our ISO. The first image I'm going to shoot at f4 ISO 100 to show you how to freeze the action. The next image I'm going to shoot at f16 with an ISO much higher to freeze the action. Tips for using this step. Use higher ISO and high shutter speeds to freeze action. Number 2. Use low ISO and low shutter speeds to blur action. Number 3. Combine ISO and shutter speeds for a unique and creative effect.